Hi there! Today I am going to make an eggplant side dish. It's perfect for dinner or as a snack. If you're vegetarian, this is a recipe for you. So let's get started. Start by preparing your steamer by adding 2 cups of water. Set it over high heat and bring to a boil. Meanwhile, cut the eggplants in half lengthwise. Once the water starts boiling, place the eggplants on the steamer rack and cover. Steam over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. Finally, chop 3 cloves of garlic. In a mixing bowl, combine garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar or lemon juice, half teaspoon of powdered chili pepper, and 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame seeds. Remove the eggplants from the heat. Transfer to a plate and let cool for 5 to 10 minutes until they are easy to handle. Next, cut each piece into bite-sized pieces. Add the eggplant to the bowl and mix well. Transfer to a serving plate, top with some chopped parsley and extra sesame seeds, if you like. And that's it! Our eggplant side dish is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.